I want your best sprints. First sprint will be resistance level 6. Out in 3. 1 full minute. Not yet. Stay at 8. We're still climbing. I'll give you plenty of warning. I'm sure you're happy to hear. Instead of the 3.5-minute version of this song, this is the 6-minute version. Dropping down to level 6. Ready. Deep breath. 1 minute sprint in 3. Go! Heads up. Butts back. Deep breath. Come on. Come on. You got it. That was halfway there. You should have about 15 seconds. Push it. Don't give up now! And down. Woo! Lighten up. Grab a drink if you need to. Woo! Surprise. I'm full of surprises. They've been telling me I'm full of something all day. So I may as well be surprised this time. Woo! We only have about 4 or 5 songs to go after this. After this. I know you like it. How can we go any higher after this song? We'll try. Okay. Resistance level 6 or 7. Seated or standing. I want 1.5. Pure. Solid. Everything you got. Kick it out. Best sprint. Bump it up to 6 or 7. Ready. Set. Go! 1 minute. 20 seconds. Maybe a little longer. Heads up. Butts back. Come on! I think this version has a drum roll. There it is! That's a third of the way. Let's wait for the crescendo. Come on! Keep going! Push it! Ooh, yeah! Almost there! Bring it back! Level 6. Hold the beat. We're not done. Woo! Catch your breath. Come on! Deep breath. Lighten up. Grab a drink. Woo!